Hello, warmest of welcomes to my grandmother's nanas and retired women warriors. How are we today? It's Donna here coming to you live from the Northern Rivers of New South Wales in Australia. And I would love you to like and follow me if on Facebook. I'm your Superman, providing you with your retirement solutions. And I just want you to get a little bit comfortable and let's dive into something that many of us really get concerned about at our age. I'm a 67-year-old and, I'm sure that I'm not the only person in the world that thinks of this. So drop me a heart in the comments, say hello, let me know that you are watching and ask any questions and I'll come back to you, of course. But yeah, are you feeling inspired? Let me know. So for, I'm just thinking about how I run my 2-hour day. And the other day, I was keeping up with my online business tasks, as we do, set tasks every day, 2 hours a day, so it all gets done. And, boy, oh boy, some days don't you really feel like your age? I felt every one of my 67 years. And some days are slower than others, and you've got to laugh at that. Absolutely. So got me to thinking too about how our energy levels change as we age. I bet many of you, have also thought about this as well. Or maybe you've wondered why you don't have the energy that you used to. And how on earth, if you need to find something to supplement your income, how on earth you're going to be able to do that at your age? And, it's just one of those things I can assure you that is exactly what I want to do today, talk about today, because I feel like, that's a common question for a lot of us. And let me tell you, I've got some news that just might put a spring back into your step. So first off, you're not alone. You are definitely not alone in feeling this way about your age and how you feel each day, your energy levels, whether you feel like, every one of your years in age, or whether other days you feel a lot lighter and got a spring in your step and ready to go. So our bodies change as we age. And I bet you anything, when you were 35 or 40, when you had young kids, there were days you felt like you were 67. And that's just life, right? That's life. So there's, here's the thing, I suppose, that our worth, our ability to contribute to others, and our capacity to earn doesn't diminish just because we can't run a marathon anymore. I know what some of you might be thinking, but SuperNan, I can barely make it through a day without needing a nap. How are you supposed to work? Well, let me share something that's changed everything for me. Digital marketing and our legacy building program. You see, the internet has opened up a whole new world for us. We talk to people all around the world. I've literally got friends all around the world that I've only met online. And they're amazing people who are very supportive, and some of those are in our community. And it's just amazing to know that, we've got people there to help. And opening up those opportunities with the internet is a great thing for us more mature women. And the best part is that most of these opportunities don't even require us to exhaust ourselves physically or mentally to get the job done. So let me give you a sneak peek into our legacy building program. and it's 4 streams of income. So we have the launch pad, which is, the simplified short version of all the income streams that you could have. We have the passive daily pay, and that's a little bit more involved and it's got a bit more to offer. And then we've got the digital mastery, which is a really valuable product that you have the master resale rights to. All of these 4 income streams, and the legacy builder, which actually is the most valuable out of all. And it gives you the opportunity to resell every one of those 4 products. And that's the amazing part about this. So whatever digital product program you decide to dive into, they start at a mere $100 and they go from 100 to 900, and they are all set up for you with your very own website. So you never need to handle any physical products. It's all digital. That's the way the world's going these days. The beauty of these 4 income streams is that you can work at your own pace and you can do it right from the comfort of your own home. So if you're feeling a little bit tired, need to take a break, or you need a day off, just plan your day ahead for a day off and have it ready to automate for you while you're not around. But none of these are a problem because you're in control of your schedule and it's all automated. So it works while you have that afternoon nana nap. Imagine waking up from a nana nap and seeing that you've made a sale while you were comfortably resting. How much would that impact your life and your retirement and your pension and your, whatever funding you've got in your golden years, instead of going to work 9 to 5 and exchanging your time for money on a limited income because you can only earn what they're prepared to pay you. So I know there's a big question that a lot of people are saying, and I know what most people are thinking before they ask. SuperNan, I don't know the first thing about digital marketing. Well, neither did I. I have to confess, this is the first time I've done any digital marketing. I have got many income streams. This one is the first digital marketing stream that I've got. And, so I knew nothing. I didn't know how it worked. But if this retired 67-year-old grandma can learn it with our step-by-step guide and video modules, so can you. And I literally sat there, watched a video, put it on pause, did the step. They show you where to click, they show you where to go, and they show you exactly what you need to do. So most of those videos are like 2 or 3 minutes. So there's no time at all taken up with that. And that's exactly why our step-by-step Legacy Builder program is so easy to do in just 2 hours a day. And it's designed specifically for us more mature women, breaking everything down to bite-sized pieces, easy to understand, so you can do it easily and effortlessly. And there's no fancy tech jargon. It's simple. Click here and they show you where to click. It's simple. It's straightforward video instructions showing you where to click. And just think of the benefits. Extra income to treat yourself to that dream holiday that you've been thinking about for years, a sense of purpose and accomplishment, and, knowing that you're helping your family out and you're building a legacy, the joy of learning something new, and all without having to worry about the physical demands of a traditional job. There's no travel time, there's no commuting, there's no doing as you're told, when you're told, how you're told. You choose how you spend your 2 hours a day. And when you do that 2 hours a day, it can be broken up. It doesn't have to be done in a lump time frame. So here's what I want you to do now. First, take a moment to appreciate all that your body has done for you over the years. It's carried you through life's ups and downs, and it deserves some love. So next, open your mind to the possibilities. Just because we can't do everything we used to do does not mean we can't do anything at all. In fact, I'd argue that we have a lot more to offer than we ever have before. So if you feel inspired and think that this is something that you can do, and I know that you can do this, and want to learn more about how you can work from home, just type yes in the comments. SuperNan will send your retirement solution information through to you and how it can help you to start your digital marketing journey. So remember, age is only a number. The value that you bring doesn't decrease just because your energy levels have changed or you're not as fast on your feet as you used to be. In fact, you'll probably feel more energized when you start to connect with our other 60, 70, 80-year-olds in our community who are absolutely crushing this. Some of those people are making six figures in a very short, 4 or 5 months. And you have a lifetime of wisdom and experience to offer. And there are plenty of ways to put that to very good use. So who's ready to show the world what us golden warriors are capable of? Thanks for joining me today. And remember, it's never too late to start a new chapter in your life. You're strong, you're capable, and you have so much to offer. And remember, the best is yet to come. So if you found this helpful, please don't forget to like and share this video. And if you haven't already, follow my page for more tips every day on digital marketing and building your legacy. Let's support each other on this journey. Oh, and if you've got any questions, just pop them in the comments below. I'm here to help you to navigate this exciting new chapter of your life, and we will be there every step of the way. Together, we've got this. Until next time, this is your SuperNan Retirement Solution saying goodbye, but don't forget to type yes in the comments for all the details, and I will send those through to you as soon as I can. Bye.